Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve display option is missing in Windows settings on Windows 11. So this issue can occur due to several reasons, including outdated or corrupted display drivers, system misconfigurations, or changes made by third-party software. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to make your account administrator. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so just type CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and tap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na tong administrator command prompt, para magawa natin yung account as administrator, so just type this command keyword. Okay, so just type this command keyword, net space user space administrator space / active semicolon and yes. And then press mo lang yung enter. Alright, so the command completed successfully. Okay, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong CMD and dito lang si start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. And then if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the display adapter. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard, pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang enter dito yung command keyword na dabmgmt.msc. So just type this command keyword dabmgmt.msc. So this is the keyboard shortcut of device manager, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yun para mag-expand. And then makikita mo dito yung ating display adapters drivers. So kailangan natin itong i-update. Kung paano ba yan i-update, so select and right click. And itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede nating i-select, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then itap mo lang dito yung search automatically and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after dito sa device manager, and the last solutions we will do is to run the SFC and DSIM scan. So all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so just type CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na dsem space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. So gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+C para makopy yan. And then ipipaste natin dito, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword sfc space / scan now. So in all small letter and / scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan, so here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so we need to close the CMD. In here, start menu, and we need to restart. Okay? So just tap only this restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix display options is missing in Windows settings on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.